Hi, all my friends. So I'm just so excited. I just had to share with you guys that I got a call because, I took a chance this summer and decided to just put one-day classes out there. So you guys have heard that I've been doing 2 classes a week. They're 2 hours each, and I just kept the price firm at $30, and I'm getting people to sign up. Every day there's more and more kids signing up, and I'm getting phone calls all the time about classes. So what I want to share with you is that I actually got a phone call today. Somebody wants to organize a class for 12 to 15 kids, and they actually connected me with somebody in our community that I've been actually looking for a place to rent so that I could do more classes and have more flexibility on my schedule, and it actually worked out in my favor. So I'm just so excited. I was able to connect with somebody at the library, and I'm able to rent the space, and now I'm going to be able to do bigger classes and have more opportunities out there. So yay! Don't give up. Keep advertising. Keep putting it out there because people really do want these classes, especially right now. They're like all going stir crazy, and they're looking for cooking classes. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for letting me share. Yay!